In this video, we're going to complete the evidence section of the Ohm's Law lab. So in my OneNote document, I have a data table. You should have completed this data table in the previous lesson. If you haven't completed the data table yet, please go back and do that now. So I have my data open on the left side of my screen, and I have Microsoft Excel open on the right side of the screen. I'm going to begin by entering my data in Excel. So the columns are going to be voltage, the units of voltage are volts, and then current, the units of current are amps. So voltage, 16.5, and you're going to be entering your data, not mine, and then the current. We're going to use the average current for the Excel. We're not going to enter all 4 columns of data. Okay, once you have everything entered, go ahead and highlight everything. You're going to go to the Insert menu, click on the Scatterplot, and then the first option. So the x-axis should be voltage, and you can tell that mine is correct because I'm going from 0 to about 120. So my last voltage here is 109.5, so I know that's correct. And then my current is displayed on the y-axis. That's my dependent variable, that's what I'm measuring. So we need to do a couple things to our graph here before we can paste this into OneNote. So let's change our heading. So it's going to be the y-axis versus the x-axis. The y-axis is our current, and the x-axis is our voltage. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this window since I'm done with my data entry. I'm going to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to add in axis titles. So down at the bottom, let's change this title to voltage, and the units will be volts, and the y-axis will be current, and the units are amps. Next, let's insert a trend line. If you go down here and click this box for trend line, you'll see that it inserts a value or a trend line all the way through the graph. Perfect. If you click on your graph, right-click on it, and then go to copy, you should now be able to paste this graph into Microsoft's OneNote. You may need to adjust the size of the graph so it fits within the space you have, but that's all you need to do for this section of the lab.